Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another memory plan with me. This week I am using a kit from Scribble Prints Co. called Celebrate. Honestly, I do not remember this kit ever coming out. And I watch all of her Monday release videos, and for some reason I must have missed this one. I did purchase this a while ago too, but even when I purchased it and I saw it on the website, I'm like, is this a kit that was never released or never shown in a release video? Because I just don't remember, and I swear I remember all of her kits that she does release. So I'm just like, I don't know, let me know if you guys have seen this kit, if I'm just being completely dumb and not even realizing that she did post a video on this kit coming out. But yeah, did I mention it's called Celebrate? I don't know if it's on her shop because, like I said, it is an older kit, but that is what it's called. I used this kit for my cousin's first birthday. I thought this was just such a cute kit to use for a first birthday. I think I had another kit planned instead of this one, but I just thought this one looked really cute. I'm just now looking at my spread and realize I forgot to put down my date cover, or my monthly date cover, so I'll have to go back and do that. But I just really like the way that this kit turned out. It is an older format kit, her older mini kits, before she even came out with the label sampler and the 15mm bottom washi and all of that. So it is quite an old kit, but I was able to make do. I also pulled in some of my boxes from my collection because I didn't have enough boxes, but I really love the way it turned out for the bottom washi. This is actually from the advent calendar, and I thought it matched perfectly. And I also used some twinkle overlays for the bottom washi. And the bougie boxes are from Rose Colored Days, and I think that's pretty much it. So while I'm waiting to get to the day by day, if you are not following me on Instagram, make sure to follow me. It is Erica Marie Plans. Also, I am so close to 1,000 subscribers, so thank you so much. I'm so excited for when I hit that. I do have a giveaway planned. I think I mentioned that already before, but I'm starting to get everything all figured out. I have 4 different shops that have offered to provide some credits, some shop credits to their shop for this giveaway, so that's really exciting, and I think you guys are really going to enjoy it. So once I hit 1,000 subscribers, I will be doing a whole separate video and putting all the rules and stuff on how to enter. But yeah, so let's go ahead, get into this day by day. First thing, on May 25th, Monday, I had my morning coffee. The coffee icon is from Rose Colored Days, and the morning coffee script is from Station Stickers. This week was honestly not the best week. I'm looking at this now. I put annoyed and irritated almost on every single day, and they were all for different things. So this is kind of a negative week, and I haven't had one of those weeks in quite a while. But this day I put an emoji there to mark that I was very irritated with our new dog because, I mean, she's not a puppy. She's supposed to be potty trained, but she doesn't let you know when she has to go. So I was just really irritated because my dog's potty trained. He knows, he will literally talk to you, because huskies kind of talk. So he will let you know when he has to go, and she does not, and she just goes wherever she feels like. And it irritates me because I'm always the one that cleans it up. So I was just very irritated this day and just had it. And even to this day, she still continues to just pee and poop everywhere, and it's really irritating. So that's why I put that emoji down. I also tidied up this day because the house was getting a little messy, so I needed to clean it up. I used a paper and milk Maru to mark that, and a tidy up script from SPC. I also did some shopping this day, and not quite sure where I shopped, but I did some shopping. I used a Fox and Cactus Girl to mark that, and a shopping time script, I believe, is from Stationery Haven, or Sticker Haven. I can't remember. It's a shop I usually don't shop from, and I think I have a couple sticker sheets from there, but I saw there's a shopping time script, so I wanted to use it. I also washed my hair this day. I used a Happy Day as sticker to mark that, and a wash hair script from Letters to Apollo. We also stopped at, I think it was called Santan Village, possibly, maybe not. I don't know, some shopping center that it was like an outdoor mall. It's not a shopping center, outdoor mall, but it wasn't really open. It kind of was open, but we just like wanted to get out of the house and walk around. Mainly went over there because we needed to go to Best Buy to go pick up a washer, but yeah, I'll get into that in a second. But while we were there, I stopped at this boba place to get some boba. And then we just, like I said, did some walking around. So the walk script is from Station Stickers, and the With Dean script is a custom from Right Brain Paper Co. I also used a Foot Pop Girl from Fox and Pip. Like every week, everything's kind of out of order. But I also cooked dinner this night. The cooked dinner script is from Station Stickers, and I used a Once More with Love doodle of a crock pot. And then I used a Fox and Cactus Girl using the middle finger because I was very pissed off. Honestly, I don't even blame myself for this because we went to Best Buy to go buy a washer, like I had mentioned, and they were only open for appointments, which completely understand that, but nowhere on their website it stated that. So we drove 45 minutes over there for nothing. So that's why we decided to walk around and make use of our time for driving there. I was also just in my feelings this day, was not feeling the greatest. And then to end our night, we watched Dexter, and the TV icon is from Right Brain Paper Co. Moving on into Tuesday, I did a lot of phone calls. I had to call some movers. I called U-Pack to figure out when we were going to get our stuff. And I had to call my insurance to get my insurance switched over to here in Arizona, which is significantly cheaper than California. And then I was also irritated again. I used the Munchkin to mark that we didn't have our stuff this day. And I didn't know, but I will take blame for this. It does say it on the website, but you're supposed to call U-Pack when you are ready for them to deliver your stuff. So, yeah, I thought it was just going to be delivered on Tuesday, but it was not. So I was kind of upset about that. And then I used a This Is Fine Fox and Cactus sticker, like the cat on fire, because I was so mad with the USPS because they did not deliver my SPC package that I had mentioned, I think, last plan with me. It was a pretty big order, and I was so irritated that they didn't deliver it because they couldn't find the house. But I've had other stickers already delivered to this address already, so I don't know why they decided not to deliver my SPC one. So I was very, very frustrated. It was also the very first hot day here since moving. I did get another package, though. I got my Lululemon and my Amazon delivery this day. And then I also just had a YouTube binge because I didn't feel like doing anything really. Did some laundry. We don't have a washer, so I've been doing laundry like the old-fashioned way in like a bathtub, and it's a pain in the ass, let me tell you. So I'm really excited to be getting our washer tomorrow. The laundry script is from Ice Cream Joe, and then I use a GP Girl to mark that, which is like an overflow basket of laundry, which is essentially what it was. What I had. And then I also cut Dean's hair this day, and I used an emoji to mark that. Moving on into Wednesday, we finally got our U-Pack this day, and I was so happy. So I used the Let's Move In script from Letters to Apollo because this is like, I'm considering this like we're officially moved in, we have our stuff. And I also used a Munchkin to mark that. I also got my was it my offer letter? I got an email from the GEC team for Lululemon this day. I can't remember what it was for, but I marked it. Oh, this was the day I got the job, I think. They offered me the position. And then this day, I was annoyed with my dad, so I used another Munchkin saying no because I asked him to do something for me the next day after we had left, which was like a week ago from this, and he said he was going to do it, and he had not done it by this date that I needed him to do it, and so I was just very irritated. Then later on Wednesday, I just did some work from home for Lululemon, and then I cooked dinner, and then I just marked that it was so hot. We ended up moving a lot of the stuff on our own out of the moving truck. I don't know how we did it. It was like 110 outside, drenched in sweat, and we were like moving, but we just really wanted to get all of our stuff in because we were just so tired of living in the house with like nothing. Okay, so moving on into Thursday. I woke up early, significantly earlier than I have been, which I've been waking up at like 7 a.m. every day, so I think I woke up like at 5. I also had a staff meeting with Lululemon, and it was just so nice seeing everyone. I think this was the last time I got to see everyone too, before moving into this new position. So had a Zoom meeting, and I used a Munchkin to mark that. I also had to call USPS to figure out where the hell my package was or my SPC stickers were, because I was just very irritated. And they had said that it had just left the UPS or the USPS that's near me, the post office, to go back to Andrea. And I was just like, what the heck? Like, I should have called a day earlier, but it's whatever. I actually just got it today, the 15th. So I'm just happy I have it now, but it's all figured out. Also did a grocery run this day. Went to Fry's, which is like their grocery store, or I guess it's our grocery store now. And then it was payday, and then I cooked some dinner this day. Actually, Dean and I cooked dinner together. We cooked, what did we cook? I think we cooked like sausage and tortellini. It's like his favorite thing. So I cooked him that because he wasn't feeling the greatest this day. So I just wanted to be nice and cook his favorite dinner. And yeah, so that's how we ended our Thursday. Moving on into Friday, I also did some more work from home. I did a lot of trainings this day. I used a Glam Planner Girl to mark that I was kind of in a rush to get my offer letter turned in and all my other paperwork for the GEC team. And then I also had to turn in my timesheet. And then I used a Munchkin to mark that I got an Amazon delivery. And also this day too, used another Fox and Cactus Girl to mark that I was just very irritated with Best Buy once again. I drove all the way over there for Best Buy. I made my appointment to go get my washer, and obviously I'm not going to pay all up front for a washer and dryer because it's so expensive. I don't have $2,500 just to drop on a washer and dryer at the moment. So I applied for like the credit card, and I got declined because it was like flagged for like fraud because my address is different than like what my normal stuff is, because obviously I just moved, so my address of course is going to be different. And so I didn't get it, and I think it affects your credit when you get declined for a credit card. So I'm like really irritated with that. And even the girl was like, I don't understand like how you got declined, because I have like 18-year-olds who have no credit history, and then it like popped up saying that it was flagged for fraud. So I was like, great, this is great. So I was just very irritated with myself. So I decided to call my friend Gabby just to kind of have a talk, because I needed to talk to someone. Sorry, I'm like stuttering. And yeah. So I came home, and this was the day I started reading, which is like unheard of for me. I don't read. And so I decided to start reading, and I'm really into this book. For me, when I read for like maybe 20 minutes at a time, because I just have so much going on all the time. And when I read before bed, I only get to like 1 or 2 pages because it knocks me out all the time. I don't know why. Even like in high school, when I'd have to read books for like language arts, I'd like read 1 page and I'd pass out. So I started this book called Last Mrs. Parrish. It's pretty good. I'm like halfway done with it. So yeah, I recommend it so far. And then we also unpacked. We got movers this day to move all of our big stuff. So I used an unpack script from Letters to Apollo and another Munchkin like unloading the truck. We also ended our night with Dexter and some cuddle time, and then we DoorDashed some pizza because we did not feel like cooking after moving all day and like doing all this other stuff. Moving on into Saturday, we slept in, which hadn't done in a while. I binge watched some crime channels on YouTube, which I've been super into. And then I played some Pokemon and did some more tidying up around the house. I used a Clever Girl Crafts broom and a tidy up script from Letters to Apollo. Also went on a Target run. I used a Munchkin to mark that, and a Target run script from SPC. Did some more unpacking this day. We had all of our stuff like in the house already. We're just like unpacking boxes because there's so much. And then it was a stormy day this day, which was really weird. It was like lightning and thunder, but it was hot. It was a weird thing. And I guess it's like, it happens not often, but it's like normal here. Moving on into Sunday. Sunday I did some more laundry because we just been backed up on with our laundry, and then I also got another Amazon delivery. It was just a lazy day. I just wanted a lazy Sunday, so I used a paper shower girl to mark that and a lazy day script from from SPC. And then down towards the bottom of Sunday, I marked that I played some more Pokemon with my Switch sticker from Fox and Pip. And then my boyfriend went back to hockey. There's an ice rink that's like 30 minutes from us. And so he signed up for stick time, and he like needed it because he hadn't played hockey in months because of COVID and it being closed down. So he was really happy to be back on the ice. And then to end the day, I just marked that it was a super hot day. And then I forgot to mention the whole reason why I used this whole kit was because of my cousin's birthday, but her birthday was on Wednesday, the 27th. I didn't mark it in there. I just put it in the sidebar, which you see right here, actually. That sticker is from Papershire, and the birthday script is from Pixie Doodle and Bear. So yeah, it was Brooklyn's first birthday. And then to track my stuff this week, I used some scripts from Letters to Apollo. But yeah, so here's a close-up. I hope you guys enjoyed this plan with me, and if you guys liked it, make sure to hit that like button. If you are not subscribed already, like I've mentioned before, make sure to hit that subscribe button. So close to 1,000, and I just want to say thank you so much. But yeah, that completes this week's plan with me. I hope you guys liked it, and I will see you guys in my next plan with me. All right, bye guys.